First Minister, the person who has been tipped to be your next party leader has said that Wales was underfunded when he was your party's Chief Secretary to the Treasury. He said that he maintained the government line and didn't speak out. First Minister, how would you describe someone who says something publicly knowing it to be untrue?
Well, I lead my party in Wales, so I don't know who you're talking about.
Well, that's a very flippant answer.
Flippant question.
And it's not a surprise at all that you have sidestepped the issue, because you sidestep issues every week here. This is a question about the NHS, about our schools and about our communities suffering from decades of underinvestment. If the then Labour Chief Secretary to the Treasury knew that Wales was being short-changed almost a decade ago, why did your party choose to do nothing about it?
I am not here to explain the actions and comments of others, and it's a matter for them to explain. What I do know is that we have been the party pushing half of the funding floor. My view is that Barnett is no longer relevant. And it's about time that Wales got its share of funding, and that Scotland wasn't seen as untouchable as far as funding is concerned. Would she join me in saying that Scotland should be funded according to need and that Barnett therefore needs to go?
First Minister, I am here to speak on behalf of Wales.
Order! Order!
And for you to distance yourself from a Labour leadership contender is quite staggering. Yeah. First Minister, your party introduced the funding formula that disadvantaged Wales from the very outset. You refused to address the matter when your party formed the UK government in 1997, and your party said nothing when it was elected to lead the first devolved government. You've sat on the Holtham report, and you refused to take responsibility for raising just some of the money that you spend. You refuse to support parity of funding for Wales with Scotland. First Minister, what is it about Wales that makes your party want to single us out for disadvantage?